Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can lock rows and also columns within your project sheets and tables on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Navigate to your workspace sheet, like for example, let me go that project sheet here, untitled sheet. And also let me switch to the table view because it gives me the best overview of all tasks within the given sheet, divided or listed into columns and rows. So guys, as you can see, I clicked into this row here. If you'd like to lock it, simply hover your mouse over that field here and you will see these three dots. What you want to do is click into them and select lock a row, or alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-L. And that's basically it. After that you will see that lock icon here indicating that the given row has been locked. So now you can't do anything with it. It's like a freeze row, and that applies basically to each and every cell within that row. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.